Hello everyone, check out our new tutorial on YouTube. In this tutorial, we'll go through how to add tail to this humanoid cat character that we have created before. We will go in depth in adding the skin weights easily, and we will also go through the settings of spring bones to have a smooth movement for the tail of the character. These are the final results of this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates.